Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Advion Ant Gel is an indoxacarb-based gel bait. This active ingredient is attractive to many different species of ants with different diets, and it's a slow-acting poison, so the ants will think it's safe to eat. Use this product to control ants around your home, including Argentine ants, fire ants, Pharaoh ants, and many more. Advion Ant Gel is a bait, so it will attract ants to the area. Do not use this product if the ants are not already present in your home or structure, as you may bait them into the area. This product can control whole colonies of ants, but it will take time since the ants will need to ingest the product and think it is safe, then share it with a colony. If you want a quicker kill and broad insect control, check out Reclaim IT and Novicide Aerosol. Reclaim can be applied as a barrier to repel ants from your home or applied directly to ant mounds and trails. Novicide can be applied indoors as a broadcast or spot spray, and it has an IGR in the formula. This means it not only kills the adult ants, but it also prevents younger ants from maturing. Before using Advion Ant Gel, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. The ant gel comes ready to use. There's no mixing required. Simply remove the stopper from the end of the tube, screw in the application tip, and insert the plunger and you're ready to apply. Before applying the ant gel, wipe the area with a clean rag to remove any dust or dirt and any potential food sources for the ants. Apply Advion indoors in areas where you've seen ant activity. Try to apply directly in the trails the ants use. Apply the product in small pea-sized drops every 1 to 2 feet. Be sure to place the product in areas that are out of reach of children and pets. Check your bait placements every 1 to 2 weeks and reapply in areas where the bait has been consumed. If the bait has become dried out, then clean up the application and try another area that may have more pest activity. Advion Ant Gel will be effective up until it dries out. This time can vary depending on the temperature and climate, but we typically recommend reapplying bait every 2 to 4 weeks until ant activity is stopped. Advion Ant Gel is not an instant kill. This is intentional, as ants will wait to share food until they know it's safe. The poison is slow acting, so it can be taken back and shared with a colony, spreading its effectiveness. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of just one product. Typically, you'll also need a liquid concentrate, an insect growth regulator, and dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right for more pest control guides.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.